Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Now the tough get going now. Now it's time for real conviction. Coca-Cola. Now let me explain exactly what's going on, because this is the moment you've been waiting for, and we promised you $1 million trade and we're getting close to that now. So let me explain exactly what's going on. Buckle up, get your seatbelts fastened, because excuse me, this is for conviction only. Please do not follow my trades. This is all in. Blimey, what a start this is to the show. This is all in. Do not follow me. Do not copy my trades. Not because it's the right thing to say and you're supposed to say it on YouTube. I'm saying it because it's the right thing to say. Don't follow me. I understand what I'm buying. I understand the risks involved. So please do not follow me, whatever I do, no matter how good it looks. So this, thank you, Leah. Let me try again. That was a rubbish start, wasn't it? Cheers, everybody. Okay, that's better. We're off and running. Okay. So today I've gone all in, just under now $500,000. I'm now a whale in Coca-Cola, literally a whale. Anyone who owns, if you Google it, anyone who owns over $200,000 in Coca-Cola is regarded as a whale. Of course, it's tiny compared to institutions and so on and so forth. But by the last time we did this check, you may remember when I last did this, I was like 15th the scale of institutions. So I was 15 on the list. If you went down to all like Warren Buffett with like 200 million shares or something like that, all the way down, and I was 15th on the list of allocated position. So it is quite serious, and that's 200,000. We're now at 500,000. So yeah, I might not be Warren Buffett, but it is a serious amount of money by any standards, by any stretch. It does officially make me a whale in Coca-Cola. No doubt about it. So what's going on? Why have I done this? So let me be absolutely clear again. Please do not follow these trades. These are not risky in my book, but they are risky if you just followed me in and jumped straight in and didn't know what you were buying. So today, we knew this was nothing new. This isn't a surprise. We didn't wake up this morning and find out that Snap had brought the stock down. This was all part of why the stock has been going down recently. However, because we got a bit of a rally today on Bitcoin and XRP, risk on assets, and you can see this, people use Coca-Cola as a piggy bank. It's perfect. That's why I use it. Because if you are guessing today and speculating today and buying XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum, great. They're all going up. Where's the money coming from? From people selling the piggy bank. The piggy bank being, in this case, Coca-Cola. This is what happens. So what happens now is these assets, Ethereum, crypto, Bitcoin, and so on, all start rallying. But remember, they don't actually make any money. They're all about everybody else buys them. And as long as everyone else buys them, they keep going up. Obviously, however, that's not my kind of investment strategy. Even though I'd like to own, and I have owned a Bitcoin, I will own 3 Bitcoin again and $100,000 of XRP again, I'm sure. But right now, it's not right, because I expect a major pullback. Now, we've already had the reaction. Coca-Cola has already sold off my defensive position because of all of this. So when we do get a pullback, and we will, and when things do really sell off, Coca-Cola will also go down, but it's already had its negative element. People will start buying back into it because that's what they do. So a real investor is not joining in the FOMO and buying. A real investor is buying when everyone is selling. Now, if Bitcoin was so great and you loved it so much, and XRP was so great and you loved it so much, and Ethereum was so great and you loved it so much, why wasn't you buying it when it was down? Obviously you wasn't, because now people are buying it today because it's going up. So now you've got the classic case once again of FOMO. So I was buying XRP, as you know, for the giveaway at 184 and 185. All right, now we're at 199 again. We're going up. So I don't want to be buying this. But what I do want to see is when you're buying and you're selling defensive positions, I want to know why, and I want to buy them. So I've done exactly that. I said I would. So I've gone all in, or I'm all in with one stock, 100% in Coca-Cola. I'm now also using margin as well, and I'm using it heavily as well. So I am all in. I am buying it all up. So as you sell it to buy risk assets, I'm buying it. Now, remember, at some point, people will start selling again because we do not have a free runway of rally for the rest of the year. We do not. And when they start selling, where they're going to go? They're going to go here. So at the end of the day, it's always about being ahead. It doesn't matter how great you think a Bitcoin is, or XRP, or Ethereum, or XYZ. Buy value and buy when it's being sold, not when it's being bought. But no one's listening to me. They're all going out today and buying, which is crazy. Why didn't you not buy it before? But people are buying it. So good luck to you. I will not be joining you on this journey. I am now enjoying buying discounted businesses. So what happened today with Snap, and why was it expected, and why did the stock overreact? It always does. All stocks overreact, upwards and downwards, but mainly because the market was buying into risk on assets. So that's why it gets used as a piggy bank. All right. Now, let me break down exactly what Snap really is. What this basically is, people in America, and only in America, this is important, right? Only in America have a system where they get people on low income gets some money to buy food and so on and so forth. And the government have decided, and I don't think it's a bad idea, actually, I think it's very sensible, have said you can't use our money to buy sweets, candy, and soft drinks, sugary drinks. Makes sense. If you're going to use our money, you can only buy healthy foods and healthy drinks. Nothing wrong with that. However, because of everything that came today, it was a perfect storm. Everyone started to dump Coca-Cola. But as I just said, it's only in the US. Coca-Cola is a global brand. It will do nothing for the whole world. It's just in the US. And then out of the US, it's a small portion that won't even affect the bottom line. So why the sell-off? No reason. So that tells me when my model is already at $80, if not 96 with a good year, flipping heck, if I can buy it at $69, I'm absolutely going to load up, which is what I did. And I used a ton of margin today. And I mean a ton. I'm very, very serious. So let me break down the facts. Now, while we're doing all this, we got a bit of a celebration as well, just to show you how serious I am. I had some fun today, and I created a special 7-day only special event on the shop. MartynLucasShop.com. I'm all in. If you are an investor that goes all in and you want the excitement, I've got 2 amazing pieces of merchandise for you. I'm all in. You've got a black mug and you've got a black t-shirt. Both of these will cut as a white t-shirt in all sizes. Later on today, there will be a female t-shirt, a ladies t-shirt as well. There'll be a white mug signed with my signature. All the merchandise gets signed. It's got etched signature on it. So you have all that. But there you go. This is the, you can see it there. Look, there is the mug. I'm all in. I'm all in. Look at that. So if you are an investor that goes all in, this is a special 7-day only item. You can see on the back, I've signed it for you. There you go. You can just see it there as well. It's signed, so it's official mug, and there you go. It's a 7-day deal, limited edition. When they're gone, they're gone. There's only a small supply, but if you are the sort of investor that likes to go all in, there you go. So there is a shop, martynlucasshop.com. It's pinned to the top. There's only a small amount, but if you are an investor that likes to go like me, all in, you might enjoy these mugs for fun. There's a mug and a t-shirt. All right, so there you go from the shop right now. I do like the t-shirt, and in fact, I'm going to get the t-shirt myself because it sums me up. It's exactly the way I do things. So there you go. There's the t-shirt, all sizes. Look at that. I'm all in. So if you like that, get yourself one of those. All right. And it's our best ever price as well. There's no sale because it is my minimum price anyway. So there you go. I've made it as a little collector's piece if you would like. All right, martynlucasshop.com. So one of my viewers was talking earlier. Karel, are you still here? Karel, I want to make sure you were here earlier asking me something as I go in deep dive into this. Karel, no, he or she is not here at the moment. Right. So now let me go into some more details with the Snap deal, what it actually means and what it doesn't mean. All right, so let's go on to that now. So look at this. How much Coca-Cola revenue comes from Snap purchases? The spoiler alert, hardly any. No reason to sell off today. There's no official Coca-Cola disclosure on exactly how much of its sales are paid with Snap, food stamp benefits, and any precise percentage you see online should be treated with caution. There are people online today saying it's a disaster and it's all going down the toilet. This is great, and the more you do that, the more I buy, so keep on doing it. Snap beneficiaries spend a notable portion of their benefits on sugary drinks, and soda is often cited as one of the top categories purchased under Snap. But the actual share of Coca-Cola's total revenue coming from Snap purchase is very likely modest, not dominant. And remember, this is only in the United States. And at the end of the day, it's a small amount anyway. Remember, there's Coke Zero, not affected. There's all the other products that Coca-Cola do as well, with their waters and teas and coffees and everything else. A more realistic estimate from policy commentary and spending patterns is that Snap spending on sugary drinks likely contributes around 5 to 10% of Coca-Cola's US beverage revenue, not the exaggerated claims of 40+% seen on social media. The higher figure emerges only with speculative assumptions and don't reflect official reporting. Yes, utter nonsense. Utter nonsense. Anyway, so what the Snap soda ban means in practical terms. Limited geographic scope initially. Snap soda bans start in some states, Indiana, Iowa, Nebraska, Utah. At the end of the day, even if it was the whole of the United States, doesn't make any difference to the global economy anyway. So this is the sort of macro conditions that I look for. Karel is here. Karel has just come into the chat and says, I am here. Thank you very much indeed. You asked earlier, if I go into the shop and I buy something, will it be delivered to South Africa? The answer is yes. If it allows you to buy it, it means it's being made in your country. All right. So if you go into the shop, martynlucas.com, do it right now and tell me if it works for you. So there's the link. Go into the shop. If you can buy it and add it to your basket and put your address in and it works, that means it works. You can buy it, and within a few days you'll have one of our merchandise items in your hand. All right? Okay. So it's a limited geographic scope initially. Anyway, even if it's the whole of the US, it makes no difference. Even where bans apply, non-Snap customers still buy soda with cash, debit, and credit. So total Coke demand isn't eliminated. Of course it's not. It's going to change nothing at all. This is a buying opportunity. So I've been buying all day. Impact on Coca-Cola, likely modest. Analyst views, example from Morgan Stanley, suggest that Snap beverage restrictions are a headwind, not a crisis. Headwinds is what we want. Headwinds is what drives stock prices down. This is Liberation Day, V-shape all over again for me. Not quite as dramatic, but nevertheless, very similar, very similar. You saw me do it before. I'm about to do it again. So here we go. A manageable incremental drag on volume, not a material existential threat. Large beverage companies like Coke have pricing power, a diverse product mix, and significant sales outside the SNAP context. And this year, we have got sugarcane and all the other diet products coming in anyway. So this is another great day for me as an investor. Consumer behavior matters. If SNAP recipients simply switch to buying soda with other cash sources or retail adjustment promotions, the net effect could be small. Restrictions may shift purchase patterns rather than eliminate demand. Absolutely. And I've never seen anybody yet who feels bad about themselves suddenly stop drinking the things that make them feel good. It's not going to happen. So this is, again, a perfect opportunity for real investors. So I'll be buying some more in a minute. If we go below 69, I'm going to load up some more. I am very, very aggressive right now on Coca-Cola, like nearly 500,000 now. And I told Leah about it and she went, "Oh my God, I don't want to know." I said, "Don't worry, babe. I'll end up having a seat on the board at this rate." Market view on Coca-Cola stock risk from SNAP challenges. Here's a balanced risk assessment for Coca-Cola stock. Potential downside pressures. Soda sales could decline in states with bans if SNAP recipients reduce soda consumption or shift to non-Coke alternatives. Volume growth in lower income segments might slightly weaken, and consumer sentiment on health and regulation could influence long-term demand. None of that, I think, is going to happen. Offsetting strengths. SNAP purchases represent only a fraction of total US soda consumption, and remember, it's only the US. Coke's global revenue is far larger than the domestic SNAP-related soda sales. Coca-Cola's diversified portfolio, example, water, sports drinks, teas, non-carbonated beverages, reduced concentration risk. So there we go. In short, direct SNAP impact on Coca-Cola revenue is likely small, likely in the low single-digit percentage range of US revenue, and much smaller on global revenue. The stock impact is expected to be minor rather than transformative, marking pricing generally already factors in evolving consumer preferences and regulatory headwinds. SNAP soda restrictions are an incremental risk, not a core value driver for Coca-Cola. So there you go. It's been a wonderful day for me. I love the red days. This is what I live for. And if we go under $69, I shall go even bigger. So where are we now? How much do I have? Look at my portfolio. My portfolio is down $3,000 today, $2,888. It's quite some change. There's no question about it. How much have I gone in? There you go. I've used $238,000 in addition to my cash. That's a serious purchase. So we are all in. We're not messing around now. We are all in now. So let's see exactly what we've got. We have got in Coca-Cola over here on the main account, $329,000. $329,000. I've got another 40,000. No. Tell a lie, more than that. 50,000, I think it is. Maybe more than that. I'll show you in a second. Which brings me up to 380. So we're getting very close now to $500,000 in Coca-Cola. If I go to my Roth IRA, there you go, 54,000. And it's all 100% in Coca-Cola. There you go. So just coming under now, 400 grand, on the way to $500,000. That's my first target, on the way to $1 million. So this is what investors do, folks. This is what real investing is really about. So we'll go to comments and questions. What do you think to all of this? Am I crazy? Am I mad? What do you think? I've just seen on the shop, one of the items has gone limited already. We've just sold some I'm All In mugs. They've just gone limited. It's only available for 7 days. Normally, my stuff from the shop sells out within a day. There's a small amount, and if you'd like one, I'm all in. You might like to go and get something from the shop right now. Okay. Let me just double check that. Let me go to there. And then let's do comments and questions. What a great day. So we're going to keep our eye on it. Back to the main account. We're still falling. We're still falling over the weekend. We'll get a bounce. I would imagine we'll get a bounce. We'll get a bounce when the bell goes. Why? Because this is not a risk asset that we need to be out of over the weekend. It's not like crypto. It's not like that where people trade it over the weekend. I think we'll get a bounce on the close. So I'm looking to buy more now. So I last bought it. I've been buying it several times today. I last bought it at 69.13, so 69.40, 69.24, 69.19, 69.13, and now we are 69.07. So I can start going again now. It can go lower. It can go lower, but I'm not worried if it goes lower. It'll be an immediate bounce because it's oversold now. I bet if we go on the advanced section here and look at the RSI, not that I care much about the RSI, but again, I'm not a chart guy. It doesn't interest me at all, this kind of stuff. It doesn't look like I can show you. It's at the bottom of the screen. But yeah, we are massively oversold on the RSI. It's a bit tall to be on the screen, but I'm not worried about stuff like that. It's of no interest to me at all. But anyway, let me bring this back up. Let's do live Q&A now. So 69.10. Let's see, we're finding a bottom here. So let's go over some comments and questions and see if I can help anybody. So cool, XRP up, sold and got Coca-Cola. I think that's very, very wise. I don't think there's any reason to suggest we're going to $10 immediately on XRP, but this could bounce really quickly. It's only my opinion, but it's what I'm doing. I like to buy businesses. Some of you want to speculate and get to $10 and massive run-ups. That's not for me. That's not how I do things, all right? I like steady, always winning, always building. Although I can't buy as much as Martyn, I bought a bunch of SCHD, which is an ETF and includes Coca-Cola and similar stocks. I'm hoping it will have the same effect as Martyn's strategy. Good luck to you, latter day data. Just found the channel today and joined up. Lost, not yet found. Where are you from? You just became a member. I'd love to meet you. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. In fact, tonight is our concert night. And everyone who became a member today gets a free song. Here it is. It's live tonight, piano party. Live tonight. Hopefully you'll join me for the party tonight. There it is, every Friday night in my studio behind me. We have a party, and hopefully you'll join me for it. Live tonight, 4K surround sound. It's big sound, and we're going to be at the piano tonight. And we're going to be having a party. So join us for the party event tonight. I think it's going to be a great, great one tonight. I'm expecting a really good night. So let me give everyone the link to that. Here is the party. We'll be going straight there tonight after this. So whack it in there. All right. All right. There you go. So let's carry on with the comments and questions. I'm so excited about seeing Coca-Cola go down. It's what I've been waiting for. Just found the channel. So again, where are you from? Let me know where you're from. Wow, welcome. Yeah, in fact, could all my members please give a great warm welcome to Lost Not Yet Found? We'd love to know where he or she is from. Thank you, David Hensley, for all the links. Much, much appreciated in all of that. Yes. Very good. I'm just trying to see here a minute. Let me have a look. Just trying to check something a minute. Just bear with me. How can I see this? I'm just trying to see something. How do I see that? How do I see that? How do I see that? I don't know how I see that. Anyway, latter day data, but it's still an ETF. Liz, still trying to navigate my way around. It takes a while. If there's anything you want to know, just call in. As a member now, you can call into the show. Take your time. New since the summer. Here are members' ages. Regular. I'm not sure I know what you mean, Liz. So close to the 100 for eggs. Eggs? What's going on? Congratulations to all who bought Coca-Cola. Hey, Martin, if I buy a mug, will it ship to South Africa? If it allows you to buy, then it will ship to South Africa. Yes, you can go and try it now and it will tell you straight away. If you can put your address in and it gives you a price, then you can do it. I'm not all in, but I did buy more. I'm all in on Coca-Cola, says G. Smash the likes, everyone. I'm all in 7 days. Oh, that's my link. I follow the economy and markets like a hobby. It's Friday. There are good things to do on a Friday. Go to the pub. That's right. That's right. Let's go drink Coke, baby. I ran out of ammo to buy more Coca-Cola. Pub tonight for sure, mate. Thank you, Widget. I am 63. I'm kind of wore out. Hey, mate, we're all bloody worn. I'm 56, mate. I'm bloody worn out. But I'm about to start on Monday, I'm doing another fasting. 3 days this time. 3 days, I won't eat a thing. I'll be fasting. It's a good thing, actually. It really helps the body. Brian Bynum, Brian Widget, Coca-Cola, Lucky Martin. It's not lucky. It's 4 years of planning to get to this. All right. Hello, peeps. Hey, Brian, all the best to you, to the new year. I got some. Thanks, Martin. Good luck to you. Hi, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hiya, Liz. Well said. I have 150 shares. Excellent stuff. I got 40 shares. Yes, I'm poor. Hey, we all started with something small. My first purchase was $10 of Bitcoin. I started with $5,000. We've all started from the beginning. Trump is destroying Coke and others. It's all poison and needs to go. Omni coverage. Okie dokie. That's your opinion, of course. You're very welcome to that. Of course, nothing else is bad for you, right? Everything that you eat is good for you, okay? I'm sure it is. Been wanting to get Coca-Cola, was just waiting for a dip like today. This is a great awakening, new world loading. No idea what you're saying. Trump is destroying Coke, dude. Be careful. I'm not a dude. I'm just called Martin, right? I don't need to be careful. Trump cannot destroy a business, all right? Trump can destroy. Have you any idea what you're saying? This business is in every country of the world apart from 6. It's every single country of the world apart from 6. And you're saying Trump is destroying Coke. You've no idea what you're saying there. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm buying Amazon, Honeywell, and Autodes. Hi, says Daddy. Pascal, howdy all 90. I can't
believe this.
We got a new member, Jordan.
Jordan Cassidy 8282 has become a member.
Where are you from? GK, afternoon. Rodney Dangerfield, Caddyshack. If everyone is selling, then buy. That's right. Hello, Lucky Pascal. What if Coca-Cola gets to 67 level without any relief and you're already maxed out? Don't care. It's worth $72 to me. It's going to 80. And on a good year, it's going to 96. So I am not bothered. It's going to outperform the S&P when we crash, and we will. This will be defense. People will go to this. So the fact we're already now selling off is just a free insurance for the whole year. So bring it on. Take it to 50 cents if you want. I will buy it all. And the moment we pop up, I'll use lots, reduce my position, and buy more lower. You know how I do it. I always buy the bottom. I always get it done. Maybe add pop to labels on your T-shirt. Maybe add pop. Good suggestion, William. Good suggestion. Why all in Coca-Cola? How long you plan to hold all of this? Until I make a very, very nice return. $80 to $90. Calco, wait and see. I'm here, says Carol. I am here. I'm Brian. I think Snap holders buy the generic brand sodas. Yes. That's another thing as well. If you are on limited money, you're not buying Coca-Cola anyway. You're buying... This is not going to affect Coke at all. It's the biggest overreaction I've ever seen on Coca-Cola, and I am loving it. This is what you want. Investors, this is what you want. This is the very definition of what you want. Carell, did you manage to get your... did your item work? Did you get it to work? I'm waiting to see if you did it. Did it work for you? Someone has just bought a mug. Someone just bought a mug. Another one. We're now limited now with the Coca-Cola ones. Let me see. Was that you, Carell? Was it you? I can see what you bought because it's in. Oh look, you went for this one. You went for this mug here, the black mug. Was this you? It says someone. If you put your name, you don't have to be anonymous. If you put your name in Discord, it tells us who's buying what. But if you don't put your name, we just don't know. But anyway, it looks like it worked for you. I'm really pleased for you. I'm from Iowa. Liz, Brian, you should make a Martyn Lucas Coke addict T-shirt. If you want one, I'll buy one. If you buy one, I'll make one for you. I'll even put your name on it if you want. Headwind, not all in, but I did buy some. Pepsi, says Richard. No, I prefer Coca-Cola. It's a much better business. Where is your Coke can? I know, it's in the fridge. Not following specifically, but joined you in adding to Coca-Cola this morning. Here he is, Tadavi. Tadavi won $2,000 of my money a couple of days ago. Here he is. Tadavi won $2,000. He's the richest man here. All right. Good evening, Martyn. Been quite a big day in the markets. The FTSE looking strong, hitting 10,000 for the first time. Yes, great news. Tadavi, you lucky man. Hello, enjoy your XRP. Yeah, he won $2,000. We got now Coca-Cola at 69.03. It's selling again. What if it drops to 65 or 60? You might think you're going a bit heavy. Not at all. Not at all. I'm very happy with the price. It's very good value at this level. I think you're smart enough to know what to do and not to do. Be careful because some people, as in Wales, may want to short you. They can short me all they like. I don't care. Not crazy, crafty maybe. I bought 69.06. Oh, lovely. Got a buy order at 69. 1977 on the day chart. Coca-Cola moving average 268.76. I'm in on day trading XRP just when it runs up. Got in low on, you did indeed. Coca-Cola now, I might buy some more. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Day chart RSI. Again, I'm not paying any attention to that. I'll be there for twins to Santa can sing them a song tonight. Yep. Iowa. Oh, Iowa. He's from Iowa. Lovely to meet you. Welcome. I know all about Iowa because I was in the Music Man. 76 trombones hit the da. Well, one thing's for sure. He's not lost anymore. He found the right channel. Welcome to the family. I'm all in on Coca-Cola. Orly and is down today too. I think it's a good comparison to Coca-Cola as far as defensive stock and a good business. Just water. Yes. For 3 days, I will drink nothing but water. It's a complete 100%. I'll start on Monday. A few months ago, I did 5 days. I did a 5-day fast. This time, I'm doing a 3-day fast. Don't breathe in the bad air. Drink Coke. Just become a member. What price are you looking to get back in the S&P? It's not about price. It's value. When I can see that the S&P is 21 times earnings, not 31 times earnings, is where it is today, 21 times earnings, so every dollar cost you 21 bucks, that's expensive enough. Right now, we're nearly $31. So forget it, all right? It's ridiculous. We're the opposite now for Coca-Cola. We're buying some more. We're buying some more. We're not messing around here, folks. We are absolutely not messing around. Buy. Buy. $20,000. How about that? $20,000. Buy. That's how you do that. $20,000. $69, $20,000. I am now earning $2,100. Sorry, scrub that. I'm now earning $1,100 a month in dividends on Coca-Cola. I get paid quarterly, but it works out at $1,100 a month on Coca-Cola. How about it? How about it? $1,100 a month. That's 13 grand a year now, and I haven't got to do or sell anything. This is what we're doing right now. We're building a portfolio. Trump is a Diet Coke fan. There you go. Trump drinks Coke himself. Someone said earlier, Trump is destroying Coke. No, he's not. Cheers to you, drinking a Diet Coke as we speak, Lee Ranger. Snap has nothing to do with Coca-Cola. Seasonality and earnings do. Wake up. What do you mean? Snap has nothing to do with Coca-Cola. Seasonality and earnings do. Wake up. Wake up. You talking to me to wake up? All right. Well, thank you very much for that. I feel wide awake, but thank you for the suggestion on waking up. Bit rude, but there you go. Some people like to be rude. No idea why. Maybe he's talking to somebody else. McDonald's sells soda. Yes, everybody does. Thanks, Martyn. Located in Georgia. The man knows what he is doing. Don't come here if you are a hater. Wow, this is happening now. 4 major banks stopped silver trading this morning. Have another sip in it, 69. I just did. Just bought it 69, $20,000. John, you're not too smart, are you? Says it's time for the people. Trump loves Diet Coke. That's right. Let's go. Trump loves Coke. Everyone's saying it. Yes. Is he buying Coca-Cola? I bet you he bloody is. You start bad. That's the sign you are wrong. You start bad. That's the sign you are wrong. Yeah. When you come in and you're all horrible, it generally is that way. I bought the black mug. G-Dahl just bought the black mug. Okay, the Coca-Cola mugs are all limited now. Let me have a look. Let me show you on the screen. We've got 2. Really cool. Look at this. Has anyone got any one of these? It's our lowest ever prices. Just $22 for a limited edition t-shirt. Look at that. I'm all in. How about that? I think there's a couple left now. There you go. You can have it in black or white, any size you want, anywhere in the world. There we go. It's a 7-day thing. In 7 days, they'll be gone, and that'll be it. There'll be no more. Right. Yeah. A Coca-Cola buying poll, please. We are doing one. It's in the chat right now. Are you all in with Coca-Cola? 215 votes. 39% of you are in. Coca-Cola's having a nice little bounce now off 69. I love it. It's so easy understanding. Kiss to some people. Keep it simple. Things go better with Coke, says Ryden. San Antonio, Texas, just bought $68.99. Oh, lovely. Look at you. The new low of the day for Coca-Cola. I'm loving it. Coke on sale, baby. Yeah, how about that? Widget? That's pretty good. Marlo will do. Great, says Liz. How much for cup if you sign it? The mug is signed. They are signed. The mugs are signed. If you go to the shop, the mugs are signed. Did you not see it? Look. Right? If you go to the standard mug, $19, it's signed. Look, there it is. There you go. Signed with the official logo. There's hoodies and all sorts. Look. Look at that. Hoodies with the logo, the whole works.
At Christopher Pennington Luxury Life donated €2 through a super chat. I vote you be the new Diet Coke man, Martyn. Next biceps emoji.
Now, Christopher Pennington, we are now into the new year. I need to speak to you. Of course, Christopher Pennington is the guy I'm talking to you about building my my crypto coin. Christopher Pennington is helping me with that. So, Christopher, I want to make sure that I've got you in my contacts in Discord. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Let me just double check. refresh the screen. It's gone a bit slow. Christopher Pennington, I'll be messaging you later. Christopher, yes, there he is. I've got Christopher. Thank you, mate. I'll be talking to Christopher about our mug, our crypto coin. Anyone who's a member is going to get the IPO, the pre-IPO price. All members are going to get the best deal. Anyway, no, sorry, it's okay. Thank you. No, don't apologize, mate. Why would you know? I mean, why would you know? Anyway, so let's go back for other business. Let's have a little look. So my portfolio is down nearly $3,000 today. Am I bothered? Am I heckers like? This is exactly what I want. I want it to go down. So Ethereum popped up today, trimmed a little bit, but I'd be very, very careful. I don't think this is the end of the story. I don't think we bottomed. XRP didn't, of course, go to $10. Sorry, $100, like everyone on social media told everybody it would. But a nice little pop today. The beginning of the year, it could easily sell off. And if it does, you know where it's going to go. All right, you know where it'll go. Bitcoin, that popped up and that's selling off again now as well. Be very careful. Got rejected again at $90,000. Again, I'm not on about charts. I'm on about real value. I don't really care what it does. I'm not speculating or guessing. All right, so my portfolio is down. It's a painful day. No, it isn't. It's a great day. Anyway, sipping as it goes, down every 10 cents. Will burp if I buy too much. Have a great weekend, everyone. Right, listen, folks, we're going to end the show in 5 minutes, okay? And we're going over... Oh, let me end the poll first of all. Let me end the poll. There you go. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to... our music show every Friday night at 4 p.m. Central, which is 1 hour from now. It's our concert. All right, we have a live show. This is what the studio looks like. There's my grand piano, and I sit down there. Song requests welcome, and I do your live songs, dedications, requests. It's a free show. There's no ads, no memberships, nothing. The whole show is for free. If you want a song, if you want me to sing you a song, then it's a super chat, and you can do a super chat for whatever you want in the first hour. So you can tip whatever you like, and I play the biggest super chats first. After the hour, it goes up. So you can watch for free, no memberships, no ad revenue. It's all turned off, and you can super chat for a song, whatever you want. If you tip for 99 cents, you won't get it, though, because everybody will outbid you. People will think it's worth more than that. So that's it. You can get it for whatever you like. All right? So that's coming up. Let me give everyone the link to it. Right, live party. Okay, here we go. Live party now. That's where we're going. Oops, that's where we're going right now. Let me replace the pin. Make sure I've got the show to go there automatically. I'm pretty sure I do, but you never know. I always double check myself. Yeah, it's already done. I'd already done it. I've got to stop double checking myself, but you know, there it is. Live now. Okay, so it'll take you there as we end. We'll ring the bell together, and expecting a bounce on the close, because there's no reason why nobody would want to be in the stock on Monday. Everybody will want to be in on the stock on Monday. So I think we'll get a bounce after the bell goes. That would be my guess. It's only a guess, but it's based on quite a bit of experience. I would say that's likely to happen, but we shall see. Right, so we've got 3 minutes to go. It's bouncing at the moment slightly. Let's see how it ends up. Let me see if I can do more questions. EVTOL up 10% today. Yes, indeed. I will buy at 56. Oh, right. You got no chance. No chance at all. It's going to $80 in less than 12 months, maybe 96. You can't buy it for 56. All right, there's no chance, especially as we're coming up to another dividend payout. There's no chance. Hello, Martyn. Are you having any problems trying to deposit money into Robinhood Roth account? No, none at all. I did it in 1 second. I transferred my Roth IRA is already maxed out. Here's my Roth IRA maxed out. I got some free money. Look, there it is. 2026 already maxed out. I transferred it from my brokerage account. That's the best way of doing it. You could do it instantly. That's why I've been preparing my tax positions. I got the $258 free, and I used it straight away to buy Coca-Cola. Remember, tax-free plus the match. It's a no-brainer for me, that. Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, earnings and seasonal factors control the price of Coca-Cola. SNAP. Earnings and you said it wasn't Snap. Now you're saying it is Snap. We said it was Snap. Yes. Anyway, have a wonderful evening, everyone. Remember to have a diverse portfolio and never put all your eggs in one basket. Yeah, don't do what Martyn's done. Don't put nearly $500,000 in Coca-Cola. Don't do that. Absolutely. I buy with conviction. Simple as that, folks. Martyn, can you buy Coke after the bell mark? Yes. Yes, I can buy it for another 3 hours. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 hours. I can buy it for another 4 hours, but I expect it to bounce, and it is doing so. Right, here we go. We got 30 seconds to go. I'm all in on one stock, so I just leave it on this, shall I? There you go. It's bouncing now. Anyway, I'm not bothered about the chart. I'm bothered about the valuation. So let's ring the bell together and let's go over to the music show. What a great day. This is what you want. Green days, you do nothing. Red days, you go to work. Red days, you get busy. You get busy with the fizzy. I've had a notification. Another item has gone limited in the shop. MartynLucasShop.com. There you go. 45 seconds to go. Let's have a quick look. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's not true. Don't worry about that. I bet everybody reacted then. Bloody hell, Martyn said it was going to bounce. That was insane. That is what it does sometimes. That's why I didn't react to that. People get really excited and go, oh my God, what's going on? No, it's all good. But we are going up a little bit though, so it's all fine with me. Anyway, there it is. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm out of here. Going to send you now all to the music show. We are bouncing on the close. Now, what I'll do is on Monday, I will lot sell. We will get back up to $70 very quickly. When we do, I will trim my $70 and my average will come tumbling down to near the $69. And then we'll do it again. We'll buy lower, same thing. We'll clear our margin on Monday. That's more than likely what's going to happen. Right, that's it from me. So we're out of here. It's now time to go to the music show. This is the event. Come and join me. It goes live in 58 minutes time. I'm very much looking forward to it. This is the studio behind me. This is the real studio. Behind me, there's the microphone, ready to rock and roll, and there is the show set. I hope you'll come and join me. Bring a beer. I might drink a can of Coke. I'm just saying. Anyway, join me. If you want to get one of those mugs, T-shirts, or anything from the shop, you can. But there we go. Join me at the piano in just a few minutes' time. So I'm going to end this now. Let's do day trader of the day. Are you up, down, your overall portfolio? 56, good price for Coca-Cola. Well, so is $10, but it's not going to happen. $56 is a good price. We're undervalued now. We've got a good price at $71, knowing we're going to 80 to 96. $56 is like saying, well, I'll just say $5 if you want. It doesn't make any sense. But anyway, good luck on that. There's too many things happening for Coca-Cola this year. So, all right, let's do day trader of the day. See who wins and loses. Let's go, shall we? Shoot, I'm down 1%. I'm down 1.15%. Doobie, shoot, beat, doobie, do. Let's roll the credits. Here are the stars of the show, the stars of the show today. Oh yes, we got some members. We got Jordan became a member and a super chat from Christopher Pennington, Luxy Life. I love it, love it, love it. Stars of the show today. Thank you very much indeed. Once again, new member Jordan and a super chat from Christopher Pennington. Thank you much indeed. One of our sponsors, by the way. Make sure you subscribe to Christopher Pennington's YouTube channel. I shall drop it in the chat. Here he is, one of our sponsors. He pays $99 a month to sponsor the channel, not the 30 grand that I get offered every day from corporate sponsors. $99. Please, everyone, go and support one of our members, one of our viewers. There he is, Christopher Pennington in the chat. It's right there. Please go and subscribe to him. 294 subscribers. Shooby-doo-woo. 294. He's now on, 294. Can we get it to move one, please? Can someone subscribe? Let's get it to 295. Can everybody? This is one of our viewers. We don't take corporate sponsorship. This is one of our viewers who's asked to sponsor the channel, and he's helping me with my crypto as well. So 294. He's now on 294. Come on, there's got to be some. Are we a quiet show? What's going on here? There's 136 of you. One of you has got to be able to subscribe to Christopher Pennington. Let me put the link in the chat. I'll refresh it again. Come on. 294 is now 295. That's what I'm talking about. I was thinking for a minute. Is this broken? Is this mic on? Right. Good stuff. Who is the winner? Up 20% on your overall portfolio. You can't be. It's not possible unless you're in one stock like me. Up 4.1%, down 1.3, up 1.4. What else have we got? I'm going to call the winner. Yeah, a lot of one stocks. Up 1.55, Ganja. Cheers to you. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. It's got to be your overall portfolio, not just one position. So there we go. I said Coca-Cola would bounce on the close. It does look like it's doing that. So that's great. So I can't say I beat the market today. No. I can say, though, that I built a position. But, of course, on the next day, I might certainly beat the market because now I've got a margin exaggerated, amplified position in an oversold stock. So as I start to trim, the profit will go up, the average will come down, and I'll rocket ahead of the S&P. That could be as soon as Monday, if not later on tonight. We shall see. Anyway, looking very, very nice. That's it from me. We're now going over to the concert for tonight. 299. Christopher Pennington went to 299. He's one more and we got 300. He'll be absolutely thrilled with that. Absolutely thrilled. Can we get one more for Christopher Pennington and he'll be on 300. He will absolutely love that. Everyone do it? You ready? Everyone? There's got to be one person to 300. He'll be thrilled with that. 299. I bet he'll do it shortly. Anyway, I've really got to go. There's the music show. We're going there now. Live now. It's pinned to the top. It's in the chat once again. All right. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I will see you back in the music studio in 55 minutes from now. If not, I will see you back on Monday. Of course, Sunday, the Open, a new little feature that I do from time to time, so look forward to that. Lots coming up, a great week. We've got Members Week, we got all the reviews, we got 2 Electrum events a week now with your mini reviews. You loved that today. We had a record number of Electrum members come in for that. That was absolutely great. So that was good. And yeah. Oh, someone just said done. Does that mean Christopher Pennington's got 300? Is he? Oh my gosh, he'll be thrilled to bits. He's got 302. That's the power of the Lucasades. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, that's it. I'm out of it. Thank you very much. See you on the music show. It'll stay right where you are. It's pinned to the top. Here is the link in the chat. Join me now and let's get ready to rock and roll. Okay. I'm going to sleep very, very nicely with my 300 and $90,000 in Coca-Cola. If all goes well, which it will, I'll make about $70,000 this year. I did that last year, and that's starting to compound now. With $1,100 a month, which is $13,000 a year just in dividends. Whether the stock goes up or down or sideways, I'm loving it. All right, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. Join me in the music show. I will see you there right there now. I'll be there in a few minutes. Until next time. Did I get everyone's comments? I think someone came in. Saab came in. 4.78. Saab wins. I missed that one. I missed it. Congratulations to you. And Christopher Pennington is smiley facing it because he got so many subscribers. That's what it's all about. All right, Christopher, I will be in touch about the crypto coin as soon as possible. And Casey, hopefully, will be on the show next week. Our first female broadcaster to join the ranks. There'll be 4 of us now. We're building all the time. 2026 will be our best year so far. Every year is that little bit better. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I'm out of here. I will sleep very well with my coming up to $500,000 now in Coke. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves. Join me on the music show in a few minutes. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourselves and each other.